Unlocking logic, strengthening your GMAT and GRE essays. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most essential tools in your GMAT and GRE essay writing toolkit: logical reasoning. By mastering this skill, you'll not only enhance your essay responses but also elevate your critical thinking. Logical reasoning involves the ability to analyze a situation, draw appropriate conclusions, and support an argument based on evidence and rational thought. In essence, it's the art of making a claim and backing it up with sound logic. For our GMAT and GRE essays, this means presenting arguments that are both convincing and coherent. Logical reasoning is not just about presenting facts. It's about connecting the dots. 1. Clarity. Logical reasoning brings clarity to your argument. It helps your readers understand the progression of your thoughts. 2. Credibility. A well-reasoned argument boosts your essay's credibility. Readers are more likely to be persuaded if your points follow a logical sequence. 3. Structure. Using logical reasoning aids in structuring your essay, making it easier for readers to follow and comprehend your points. There are several ways to incorporate logical reasoning into your essay. 1. Deductive reasoning. This starts with a general statement or hypothesis and examines the possibilities to reach a specific, logical conclusion. 2. Example. All men are mortal. Socrates is a man. Therefore, Socrates is mortal. 3. Inductive reasoning. This takes specific observations and makes broad generalizations. 4. Example. Every time you eat peanuts, you have an allergic reaction. Thus, you conclude you are allergic to peanuts. 5. Abductive reasoning. This involves forming a conclusion from the information that is known. It's like making a best guess. 6. Example. The grass is wet. It probably rained last night. When crafting your essays, be mindful of the type of reasoning you're using. Ensure that your claims are supported by strong, relevant evidence. While it's essential to use logical reasoning, it's equally important to avoid logical fallacies. These are flawed reasoning patterns that can weaken your argument. 1. Ad hominem. Attacking the person instead of the argument. 2. Example. You can't trust John's opinion on the economy. He didn't even finish high school. 3. Slippery slope. Assuming one event will lead to another without evidence. 4. Example. If we allow students to bring snacks to class, soon they'll want meals, and before we know it, they'll want a 5-course dinner. 5. Red herring. Introducing an irrelevant topic to divert attention from the subject under discussion. 6. Example. We shouldn't focus on the declining local bee population. There are still so many other problems in the world. Avoid these fallacies to ensure your essays are both logical and compelling. Logical reasoning is a powerful tool for crafting persuasive GMAT and GRE essays. By understanding its importance, types, and the pitfalls to avoid, you can enhance the quality of your essays dramatically. We hope this video brings clarity to your essay writing journey and assists you in formulating stronger arguments. Happy writing!